I say about memories, love makes you pay. So why am I here tonight when my girl could be holding me tight? Yeah, and I guess I've got myself to blame. I can't even say your